Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a generic 4K UHD 3-axis drone that packs some interesting features, especially for its class. Right out of the box, it comes in a sleek gray color and is marketed towards adults, but with a strong emphasis on being beginner-friendly. One of the standout features mentioned is its 540-degree obstacle avoidance system. This is a big deal, particularly for new pilots or when flying in environments with potential hazards. The drone is designed to intelligently sense and avoid barriers from multiple directions, which add a significant layer of safety and confidence during flight. It means you can focus more on getting the shot and less on worrying about bumping into things unexpectedly. For capturing footage, the drone is equipped with a camera. While the main description mentions 4K UHD, the detailed specs list the actual video capture resolution at 1080p. It's important to note this distinction. You'll be getting crisp, full HD video, not native 4K. Still, images are captured at 12 megapixels, which is decent for sharing online or making small prints. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which is crucial for smooth, stable video footage, even when the drone is moving or encountering wind. The transmission system is another highlight. It boasts an extended 6-kilometer image transmission range. This allows for flying much further while maintaining a clear, high-quality live feedback to the controller or connected device. The description attributes this to a superior lens, suggesting attention was paid to the quality of the camera optics and the transmission technology working together for a seamless experience over distance. Flight time is always a key factor, and this drone offers an impressive 28 minutes on a single charge. This extended duration means more time in the air for exploring, filming, and getting the perfect shots without the constant need to land and swap batteries or recharge. It allows for more ambitious flight plans and less downtime. Controlling the drone is designed to be intuitive. It uses a Mode 2 controller, which is a common and comfortable layout for many pilots. The controller itself has a built-in lithium battery, which is convenient as you don't need to worry about separate batteries for the remote. The controls are described as user-friendly and responsive, aiming to make flying accessible whether you're just starting out or have some experience. It's also app-controlled, adding another layer of functionality and access to features via a smartphone or tablet. Overall, this generic 4K UHD 3-axis drone, despite the 1080p video resolution detail, presents itself as a capable and accessible option. Its combination of 540-degree obstacle avoidance, long 6 kilometers transmission range, extended 28-minute flight time, and user-friendly controls makes it particularly appealing for beginners looking for advanced safety features and performance, as well as more experienced pilots wanting a reliable and easy-to-fly drone with decent camera capabilities for its class. It seems well suited for capturing aerial photos and videos with added peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.